Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuning report for Timothy in Arizona on the Ranger Longhorn Superior N6. You already know the drill. You know these things are a beast. You know that we get rid of that mesh screen, put a nice little grill on it, another bowed screen. Got these on my website, truckcbsales.com. You can type in fan or type in grill, or it's also in the related items. Full Truckerized tune on this. That's wideband transmit receive, tune alignment, electrolytic cap upgrades, voltage regulator upgrade, etc., etc. Let's just get right to it. Oh, and you also get a static 636 mic, 500 watt slug, looking around 20 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run an amp, you have full adjustability. You can right there about 145 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. Just did touch 300 bird. 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello. About 740 PEP. Alright, Timothy, it's ready to go, bud. I hope you enjoy. We can get it out to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.